would happen typically when your attorney requests an offer from the DA's office. What I like to do is do my investigation, which means getting any video that exists from body cameras from the officers, or the blood draw, if there's a blood draw, jail, from the dash cam, which is called an MVARs, which a lot of the CHP, California Highway Patrol cruisers have, that, you know, are used in making DUI stops, and then the records on the breath machine, on the blood testing that's done, getting things like chain of custody and graphs that show whether there's any contamination potentially in the blood testing that was done, and in breath testing, getting maintenance records, accuracy checks, calibration records, all this kind of stuff that we're gathering, you know, any statements from witnesses. This is our investigation. Once I've done that and know what, you know, our defenses potentially are, at that point, I would approach the DA if I don't think the case is going to get dismissed, and ask for an offer and explain to them, you know, what I think about the case and why they should dismiss, which they typically won't do, but we have a better chance to potentially get the case reduced. And the offer that I would be asking for would typically be a reduced charge to a wet reckless, something like that, instead of a regular DUI, which is, for a number of reasons now, a much better outcome than it used to be years ago, because starting with the probation length, which is 1 year, where it used to be 3 years for a reduced charge from a DUI to a wet reckless. There's a lot more to this, and I'm happy to discuss it with anybody who wants to contact me, do a free consultation about their case, and I can discuss in more detail how we negotiate these cases, and you know, when and how an offer would come from the DA's office.